Hellos, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Kiki, also known as Kriss, and today I am doing a unpackaging. I'm not going to show you who it's from, but it is from a fellow YouTuber who is also a friend of mine, and that is Rescue is Love. She sent me a package and I'm so grateful, girl. Thank you so much. So I wanted to come on here and say thank you and open it up on camera and let you know that I appreciate it, that you even thought of me to send me anything. I truly, truly appreciate it. And I also have something for you that you should get if you haven't got it by now. Once this video is released, you should get it soon. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and show you guys what I got. Obviously, I'm still in Florida. Some of these videos will be pre-recorded, and this is not my normal spot, but I'm doing the best I can. So let me open this up. She sealed it up well. She sealed it up really good. But it was so sweet. I'm so thankful that you even thought of me, girl, to send me something out. I am going to leave Rescue is Love. I'm going to leave her channel linked down below in the description. Make sure you check her out. She is amazing, and I love her to death. She was one of my first subscribers, I think, and she is just so sweet. She's so beautiful. She's so genuine, and I really love her. She's gorgeous. I want to be like her when I grow up. Okay, so, oh, she sent me a what is this? A Wet n Wild small eyeshadow brush. Oh, that is so awesome. Thank you, girl. I hope that's focusing. That is so sweet. I've been wanting to try these brushes. That is so awesome. You are amazing. And I've been wanting to try this one too. It's the contour brush by Wet n Wild. And I was actually going to pick these up. I'm so glad that I opened them before I went to the store, because I was actually going to pick these up. That is so sweet of her. She is amazing. Oh, the Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin Detoxifying Charcoal Paper Mask. Okay, so she was doing this mask, and I was like, oh, I wish I could find a mask like that here in Ecuador. And she was like, you know, I'm just going to send it to you in Florida, so that way when you go, you have it there. And I think that is so sweet that she actually did it. Like, I never expected her to do that. She didn't have to, and that is just absolutely sweet. This is your new favorite little black mask with charcoal to detoxify and clean pores. I am like out of it right now. But that is so awesome, girl. You are amazing. Thank you so much. I don't know if you guys saw that. I am so grateful. You are amazing. Thank you so much. And, oh, she sent me a card. I will read some of it. Warm thoughts can make the sun a little brighter, the sky a little bluer, the world a little nicer. Oh, she's so sweet. She says, hey, hi, Kriss. Here are just a couple of things I thought you may like. Thank you for always treating me with kindness. Oh, love, Rescue is Love, XOXO. That is so sweet. I'm going to save this. This means so much to me. Like, you guys have no idea, like, how much these little things mean so much to me. Like, this to me is huge. And she also sent me something else, the ColorCon Wet n Wild Brass Eyeshadow. I think this is an eyeshadow. Sparkling Glitter Single Eyeshadow. That's awesome, because I do not, it's glitter, and I don't have anything glitter, and I actually needed something like this. So thank you so much, girl. I appreciate it, and I hope you like your stuff that I'm sending you. Thank you so much. Like, this, you have no idea how much this means to me. I'm going to leave her link to her channel down in the description below. Please make sure that you check her out. Tell her that I sent you over, and thank you, girls, so much. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and to tap that bell to be notified of future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Muchos besos. Bye.